Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Lenovo Legion Go Z1 Extreme is a versatile handheld gaming PC designed for performance and flexibility. It features an 8.8-inch QHD+ touchscreen display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant and smooth visuals. Powered by the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor with RDNA 3 graphics, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage, it handles demanding games effortlessly. Its detachable TrueStrike controllers and kickstand support multiple gaming modes, including a unique FPS mode for precise control. Running on Windows 11, it offers seamless access to games and apps. With advanced cooling, robust connectivity, and a sleek portable design, it excels in gaming mobility. The Asus ROG Ally Z1 Extreme is a high-performance handheld gaming device designed for immersive gaming on the go. It features a 7-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus for durability. Powered by the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor with RDNA 3 graphics, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 512GB SSD storage, it ensures seamless gameplay and quick load times. The Windows 11 OS offers access to a wide range of games, including Xbox Game Pass. With ergonomic design, advanced cooling, and up to 8-hour battery life, it's ideal for portable uncompromised gaming. The Logitech G Cloud is a handheld console designed for cloud gaming, offering portability and convenience. It features a 7-inch Full HD touchscreen with a 60Hz refresh rate for sharp visuals and responsive gameplay. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage, expandable via microSD, it supports Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Link, and Android games. With 12 hours of battery life, dual-band Wi-Fi, and ergonomic design, it ensures comfort and extended play. Running on Android 11, it includes remappable controls, virtual button mapping, and tablet mode, making it a versatile cloud gaming solution. The PlayStation Portal is a handheld accessory for the PlayStation 5, enabling users to stream PS5 games over Wi-Fi without a TV. It features an 8-inch 1080p LCD screen with up to 60 frames per second for smooth gameplay and integrates DualSense controller functionality, including haptic feedback and adaptive triggers for immersive gaming. Supporting PlayStation Link wireless audio and a 3.5mm headphone jack, it offers versatile sound options. Designed for portability, its ergonomic build ensures comfort during extended sessions. The PlayStation Portal is ideal for gaming anywhere at home, enhancing flexibility for PS5 users while maintaining high-quality performance and visuals. The Valve Steam Deck is a versatile handheld gaming device delivering a PC-like gaming experience on the go. It features a 7-inch touchscreen display, 1280x800 resolution, 60Hz refresh rate, and is powered by a custom AMD APU with Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU. Equipped with 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 256GB NVMe SSD, expandable via microSD, it ensures smooth performance and quick load times. Running on SteamOS 3.0, it provides access to the extensive Steam library. With customizable controls, HD haptics, 2 to 8 hours of battery life, and a portable design, it's ideal for gaming anywhere.